Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to you all in the virtual learning system, Pakistan International School, Taif. Dear students, we will continue chapter number 2. Here is grade 10, subject Pakistan study, chapter number 2, Pakistan in the World Affairs, lecture number 6, and I am Muhammad Yunus. Dear students, we will discuss today about Pakistan's relations with Central Asian countries. Central Asian countries are those countries who got the independence from Russia in 1991. The Central Asian countries include Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan. They all became independent after the disintegration of the Soviet Union in 1991 in the result of Afghan-Russian war. Pakistan took deep interest in resolving the problems of these countries. These countries are situated far from sea. It means there is no seaside with these countries, and you can say also these states are locked down. When these countries became independent, their foreign exchange was nominal. It means there was no more trade activities. Pakistan started trade with them for enhancing their foreign exchange. Their requirements were fulfilled. Pakistan signed many agreements and helped them to boost their industrial sectors. One thing more very important, these all states are the Muslim states. So Pakistan having the deep interest in these countries. Following are the detail of Pakistan's tie with these countries. And first of all, you will see the map and the location of these countries. This is a map of Central Asian countries. This white line shows the boundaries of the countries. The location of these Central Asian states are on the right side, or you can say on the east, there is the China, a big country. On the north, there is the Russia, and on the west side, there is the Georgia, Armenia. Once time they were also the part of the Russia, and beyond this, there is the European countries. And on the south side, here is Iran. This is Pakistan, Afghanistan, and then here is the Pakistan. Now you can see the green area. This is the Kazakhstan. It is the biggest Central Asian state, and its the capital is Astana. This yellow area is the Kyrgyzstan, and its capital is Bishkek. This is the Tajikistan, which is very close to the Pakistan, and this area belongs to Afghanistan, and this is known as Wakhan. Between Pakistan and Afghanistan, here is the distance of approximately 20 kilometers, and from Islamabad, which is the capital of Pakistan, and Dushanbe, the capital of Tajikistan, they are far away from each other, about 500 kilometers. This is the Uzbekistan. The capital city is Tashkent, and Uzbekistan is also very important in the Islamic history because this is the country of Imam Bukhari. The actual name was Muhammad bin Ismail. He narrated the hadith and also he wrote the book. The name of the book, Sahih al-Bukhari. This is the Turkmenistan. Its capital is Ashgabat, and the other side of the Caspian Sea here is the Azerbaijan, and the capital of Azerbaijan is Baku. So this was the map location of these Central Asian countries. Now we will study one by one these countries, the relation of Pakistan with these countries. Number one, Azerbaijan. The capital of Azerbaijan is Baku. Pakistan established its relation in 1992. Then an agreement was signed in the field of electronics. Students came in Pakistani universities and institutions for higher education. Azerbaijan is rich in oil and gas. Pakistan helped to explore oil in 2001. Dear students, exchange of delegation, and the peoples are going from one country to the other country for the different development programs, and especially the group of the government. So I will give you some detail with explanation. Pakistan established relation with Azerbaijan in 1992. An agreement was signed between the two countries in the field of electronics. Many students from Azerbaijan are studying in the universities of Pakistan and other educational institutions. Azerbaijan is rich in oil and gas. Pakistan signed an agreement to help exploring oil in 2001. The exchange of delegations between Pakistan and Azerbaijan happens occasionally. The other Central Asian state, that is the Uzbekistan. The Uzbekistan is also a part of Central Asian states. Its capital is Tashkent. Pakistani Prime Minister visited Uzbekistan. Tomb of Imam Bukhari is situated in the city of Bukhara. Then Office of Uzbekistan Airways established in Karachi. Uzbekistan also rich in oil, gas and coal. An agreement was signed to provide gas to Pakistan through pipeline. Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif and Benazir Bhutto visited Uzbekistan. The tomb of Imam Bukhari is situated in the city of Bukhara. I told you Imam Bukhari was a great Islamic scholar and he narrated many hadiths, and also he wrote an authentic hadith book that is known as Sahih al-Bukhari. So this area is very important in the Muslim history. The Muslims have a great respect for him. Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif donated $50,000 for the repair of Imam Bukhari's tomb during this visit. So it means this help for Uzbekistan shows a great love with Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayh. President of this country has also visited Pakistan in 1992. The office of Uzbekistan Airways has been established in Karachi. This country is also rich in oil, gas, and coal. An arrangement has already been signed between the two countries to provide gas to Pakistan through a pipeline. Dear students, now we will study about the Tajikistan. It is also a part of Central Asian state. Its capital is Dushanbe. Tajikistan is the closest to Pakistan. Dushanbe is located 500 kilometers from Islamabad. Tajikistan having abundant electricity, and Pakistan signed agreement for getting electricity. Tajikistan is the closest Central Asian country to Pakistan. Its capital is located at a distance of 500 kilometers from Islamabad. President of Tajikistan visited Pakistan in 1994. This country has abundant electricity. Pakistan has signed an agreement with this country for getting electricity through hydropower. The next Central Asian state, that is Turkmenistan. The president of Turkmenistan visited Pakistan in 1994. Its capital is Ashgabat. Many pacts signed for the development in different fields. An agreement signed on the gas pipeline in 1969. Pakistan exports food items. The president of Turkmenistan had also visited Pakistan in 1994. Many pacts have been signed between two countries for development in different fields. Pakistan exports food items to this country. An agreement has already been signed in 1996 to lay a gas pipeline from Turkmenistan to Quetta. Dear students, we will discuss now about another Central Asian state, that is Kazakhstan, the biggest among CAC, Central Asian countries. Its capital is Astana. Nawaz Sharif visited in 1990, signed agreements for trade. This is the biggest country among the Central Asian states. The Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mia Mohammad Nawaz Sharif, visited Kazakhstan in 1990 and signed different agreements for promoting trade activities. The president of this country also visited Pakistan in 1992, signed agreements for providing cement plant, signed agreements for getting industry. Pakistan has signed many agreements with Kazakhstan for providing a cement plant and for setting up different industries there. Next Central Asian state, Kyrgyzstan. Having reserves of uranium that is very important for atomic energy. Its capital is Bishkek. Benazir Bhutto visited Kyrgyzstan. signed agreement for trade by road. There are vast reserves of uranium in Kyrgyzstan, so it is very important for Islamic countries or especially for Pakistan who are working on the atomic power. Pakistan is an atomic power which has a deep interest in furthering ties with the country. Prime Minister of Pakistan Benazir Bhutto visited Kyrgyzstan. An agreement was signed between both countries for trading facilities by road. This is the end of the topics today. Here is homework you will do and you will write on your notebook. These are the short questions. Write the introduction of Uzbekistan. Number two, write 3 lines about Kyrgyzstan. Question name the capital of Tajikistan. Here is the long question. You will see the exercise. Question number 8, page number 38. This is the end of the lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.